Welcome to my channel. The most common Netgear extender problems and how to solve them without a technician. Check power and lights. Make sure the extender is plugged in properly. The power light should be solid green. Restart the extender. Unplug the extender, wait 10 seconds, then plug it back in. This fixes most temporary issues. Restart your main router. Turn off your router for 30 seconds and turn it back on to refresh the connection. Place the extender correctly. Keep it halfway between your router and the weak Wi-Fi area, not too far from the router. Reconnect to Wi-Fi. Open Wi-Fi settings and reconnect to the extender network, usually ends with _ext. Use WPS button, easy method. Press WPS on your router, then press WPS on the extender within 2 minutes. Update extender firmware. Go to mywifi.ext.net and check for firmware updates to fix bugs and improve performance. Avoid signal interference. Keep the extender away from microwaves, cordless phones, and thick walls. Thank you for watching.